So I'm in Patong, Phuket. It's a Friday night, it's about midnight. I'm just going to turn onto Bangla Road in a minute and walk down. I'm going to give you a walk without the talk kind of guide so you can see exactly what it's like in December 2022. I will say that the World Cup's on, it's the World Cup semi-final tonight, so there will be a lot of guys out watching the football. So that might make a difference, but you'll be able to get an idea of what it's like. All right, I'll be down there in a minute. I'll walk down, I'll walk back up. I'll try and cut out any of the quiet bits and see what happens. I'm sure there'll be some kind of drama, and I'll take you with me.
As well as Croatia for the boat, isn't it? It is indeed. I mean, other than obviously they prefer to fish.
Пока просто. Welcome to Ichiba. Enjoy with us. Lady, take care. Welcome to. We have a final shot.
Thank you. Yeah, as you got to the end of Bangla Road, you definitely can't fault how busy it is. If you like somewhere busy and loud, then you're going to love it. I would say that Brazil and Croatia are playing the World Cup semi-finals, so that's probably why there's just millions of guys out, really. I mean, the guys must be outnumbering the girls about 3-1. I wouldn't think that's normal here, but it is tonight. So yeah, you've got an idea just going down there what's going on. I mean, it's pretty busy. You probably noticed as well, if you've not been here since like after COVID, that there's like loads and loads of weed shops, like cannabis dispensaries, that kind of thing. It's the same in all the tourist areas around Thailand. I'll try and do a video in some of them in the next few days to give you an idea of what's going on, how it all works and everything. So I'm not really sure. I don't think it's actually like legal, but in the same sense as lots of things aren't legal in Thailand but still happen. So yeah, in the next few days I'll try and do a video of that. So yeah, subscribe and then you should see that. Leave a comment, let me know what you think it looked like compared to how it was pre-COVID, and if it looks like you want to get yourself back over it. Certainly busy, so if that's what you want, yeah, you'll like it. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.